Hello, welcome to Tech Trek, your go-to resource for ethical hacking and cybersecurity tutorials. In today's video, we will explore how to track a device location using the Seeker tool. Remember, these videos for educational purposes only. Misuse of these techniques can have serious legal consequences, so always operate within the bounds of the law. Ready? Let's get started. So what is Seeker? Seeker is a powerful open source tool developed by the White Hat. It allows you to track device location by sending a phishing link. When the target clicks on the link, the browser requests location access, and if granted, the tool gathers GPS and other details about the device. It is often used by ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals to demonstrate the risk of social engineering. Now let's set up Seeker on our Linux machine. So we will type git clone. I'll paste my link here, the link to the Seeker tool. So you can check the video description for the link. Now, let's click on enter. So within some seconds, we will get our Seeker tool on our Linux machine. So let's wait while we are cloning. Now let's move to the directory. So cd Seeker, and we type ls. So there is a file here called install.sh. So we need to make this file executable so that we can run it to install the necessary dependencies for the Seeker to run properly. So chmod plus s, then the name, that's install.sh. Then let's run it. So let's run the install.sh. So installing dependencies, Python 3 has been installed, Python 3.pip, Python 3 packaging. So now we have successfully installed all the necessary dependencies. So let's launch our Seeker tool by typing Python 3, then Seeker.py. This is the interface of our Seeker tool. The Seeker provides templates that may make popular platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, Zoom, and others. So you can choose the one that fits your scenario. For this example, I will use WhatsApp template for the demonstration. So you choose option 2. Now it's a group title, so let's name the group. The name of the group, so I'll call it, let's say, Best Hackers. Then enter. Path to group image. So the image is located at the home, my home directory, so home/wizard/downloads, downloads, and the file name is hacker.jpg. Enter. So now the Seeker is running on port 8080, but in order for us to share the phishing link over the internet, we will need to create a secure tunnel. That's what most people call it, port forwarding. You can use NJROC for this, but for this I'll use a local tunnel called no key, because for that too you don't need to create an account before you run it. So I'll run it by typing SSH capital R, then 80 is to localhost. Now Seeker is running on port 8080, so we have to specify the port as port 8080, then no key at localhost.run. So this is the command for the no key localhost to create a secure tunnel. So let's click on enter. Now you scroll up. This is the link. You copy this link. Let me copy it, and then let's head to our browser and open the link. Let's say we've sent this link to our victim. So the moment the victim clicks on the link, this is what to open. This is a template like normal WhatsApp group invite. So as soon as the user click on join chat, they will ask him, or the Seeker tool will ask the user to whether he or she will allow location. So if the user allow the location, it's game over. You get everything about the user. You can see the maximum group capacity of 256 participants reach. So the user cannot join the group too. We have a way that you can redirect the link to normal, like actual WhatsApp group. But here we use this for the main port. Let's move to. So we have gotten the device information that the OS is Linux S8464 build. You have CPU cores, that's for RAM 4, GPU vendor Google. Then the browser that we use to access the link is here. The public IP of the device, the IP information, the continent, the country, region, ISP information, everything. So let's move to the location information. You have the latitude here, the longitude here, accuracy, altitude, direction, and speed. Since the user wasn't moving, you won't get the direction and speed. Then we have a link here to Google Maps. So when you open this link, you get to see the actual location of the device or the user in Google Maps, but for security reasons we won't access this. So let me click on Ctrl+C. Let's run the seeker tool again. I want to try out the Telegram tool. The Telegram template is superb. Like, I like the interface and everything. So let's choose option 4. Let's name it, let's say Hackers Associate. Hackers. Now path to home wizard /download /hacker.jpg hacker.jpg. Okay, group description. So we write malwares. Number of members. So this, you can specify the number of members in the group. Let's say 1,000 members. Number of members online. Let's say 500 members are online. Okay, so I think we made a mistake when specifying the path to our image. There's no image, no search file directory. Let's run the sticker tool again. Option 4, that's Telegram. Group title hackers. So image path, that's home /wizard /downloads hacker.jpg. That's the file name, hacker.jpg. Now group description, we write malwares. Number of members online, let's choose 1,000. Again, number of members 500. Now our phishing site has been deployed. It's running on port 8080. Let's access the link again. So here, let me refresh it. So upon refreshing, we get the actual Telegram join. So you can see this is like the normal or the official Telegram join page. So let's click on view in Telegram. Unexpected error occurred. Our wizard have been notified and will face the problem soon. Let's go back to our terminal. Boom, we have all the information here, the OS, the platform, everything about the device. So some things to protect yourself from phishing attempts like this: always avoid clicking on unknown or suspicious links that are too good to be true, like those promising of free money, free internet data bundle. Second, refrain from granting important permissions like location, microphone, and camera to untrusted sources. Always use browser security extensions and features to detect phishing pages. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ethical hacking tutorials. Let me know in the comment section what topic you would like to see next. Until then, stay curious and stay ethical. See you in the next video. Bye bye.